Hello, my name is Samyak Jain. For my fourth visualization for DS4200 class at Northeastern University, I've compared the gun violence data of injured and killed over time. Uh, my conclusion is that Connecticut is the safest state in USA. In the visualization below, I've created a dashboard which showcase the change in injured and killed over time over a period of 1 year from May 2015 all the way to October 2016. We see that there is a spike in there's a spike towards July in 2015, and there is another spike towards May and June. So we can definitely say that during summer months, people are more violent and are more prone to get injured or killed during an attack. Then I've compared the states with states that have the most kill count over a period of time. So we see that Florida has the most injured and killed people during 2015 and 16. That is when Parkland shooting also happened, where Nicholas Cruz entered a high school with a semi-automatic gun and killed a lot of kids in the school building. I've used date parse to do day, quarter, year, and week. So if we do by day, we can see how the trend changes in the graph. We see that there are a couple of spikes over a period of over a period of a year. We see there's spikes during August, and then there's spikes during September, then again in November, then March, then the highest one in June when the Parkland shooting happened, and then we see people getting injured and less getting killed. So we see from 2016 onwards, we see more people getting injured during a mass shooting than getting killed. If we compare it by week, we also see a similar kind of pattern. If we compare it by quarter, we see a different kind of pattern where we see like the highest number of shooting happen during 2016 and the killing percentage going down, whereas the people getting injured is going up. The only time when killing has gone up has been between 27th December all the way to 27th March of 2016. And then there is yearly, which showcase a trend line towards increasing people getting increased. There's an increase in injured and number of people getting killed as the years are going by. So from this visualization, the following insight emerges. The number of shooting in USA have fairly remained the same in both 2016 and 2015. The overall people killed in these excuse me, mass shooting have risen in 2016 compared to 2015, but overall the number of injured and killed roughly remain the same. Overall, the data brings into question the most noticeable case: are people likely to die than get injured during mass shooting? Also, it asks the question, how are the mass shooting varied over state? If we look at the 2015 and 2016 more closely, we can see that the number of people killed and injured during summer months like May, June, July are some of the highest compared to the other months. The target audience for this data set is the lawmakers, educators, students, and everyday people alike. This is a societal issue that needs to be addressed at all levels and tackled for a better future. The data has been taken from Gun Violence Archive, which was uploaded to Kaggle and received from Kaggle. For data abstraction, I've done what? In this visualization, the database of recorded case of mass shooting, gathered by an individual called James Code. The database records every mass shooting in the United States after ordering the data. The data is temporal and static. Attributes are number of injured, number of killed, year, month, quarter, and week. Year, month, quarter, and week are ordinal data, whereas injured and killed are quantitative data. Example instead, during summer months, the crime is increased in each state. So for this, I've considered for testing the situation, I need to have enough reported data to analyze the different months victim, whether killed or injured. Additionally, to visualize this EDM, I need to use data as the x-axis and the number of injured and number of killed as y-axis. For the second one, I've said the mass shooting at Parkland, Florida was the result of accumulated mass shooting violence across USA. That could be seen as we see like a trend increasing towards on a year-to-year basis. We can see definitely a trend increasing towards more mass shooting. The task I've seen is like to compare the yearly number of cases of mass shooting by each state, and the second task is to discover the distribution of number of cases of injured and killed months. How I've done it, I've used marks, line, quantitative attribute, and channels. I've used vertical and horizontal position. Additionally, I created a visualization which is really keen to users' eye to see. On the circle, on the outer circle, we can see as the dates are increasing from July 21st on a ordered basis, we can see how the number of injured can be seen and the number of killed can be seen. So we can see like the total number of injured and killed, whereas the x-axis showcase the number of injured people during a mass shooting. We see the highest number of injured and killed is during 12th June 2016, which is the Parkland High School shooting. And in the middle of the circle, I've showcased a map showcasing different region with the stars with the highest with the biggest star representing the highest number of injured and killed in a state. Thank you.